Hello everybody, this is the tonal drawing of a bunch of keys for your belongings project. So this is year 9 into 10. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to take a photo of your keys. So I've just taken a photo of my keys on the phone. Okay, and then you're going to plan out your drawing. So you can see that on my drawing I have got only 2 keys. I've got the sort of the hoop that keeps it together and a sort of keyring bit and a keyring on this side. Okay, so what I want you to do is to make sure that your keys are nice and straight. Okay, so the plan of the drawing, making sure that your keys are lovely and straight. To do this, what you do is you turn it around. Now if you look at that key is not straight. Okay, so if you're turning your work around, you will be able to work out when you have got the correct shape of a key. If I just check this one, okay, that one's pretty straight on, okay, into there. Okay, making sure it all fits together. Now you have to work out what's on top and what's underneath. Okay, now I want you to show me a tonal range. So a tonal range can be done with hatching. Okay, now if you're going to hatch it, okay, you can get lighter like that. Cross hatching across the other side and then lighter. Okay, you could blur that with your finger. So if I did it again, or a tortillon, which is just a rolled up piece of paper. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to do it. So you can blur it with your finger and blur it out. Okay, so you get a softer effect. Okay, when you're doing that, you have to remember not to get the graphite all over the paper. Okay, so you're going to show me a range of tones, and it should be really heavy, okay, to light. Now we've been looking at Andrea Joseph, and she uses a lot of cross hatching in her work. So moving on to our drawing. Okay, so we're just going to carefully go into our drawing and start to pick out our shaded areas and our highlights. Okay, so this is going to be nicely coming around, then it goes to that side there. Okay, the side of this key has got a bit of a shadow on that top section there, so you can see I'm starting to get darker each time, and I'm just going to add a little cross hatch to there. Okay, so cross hatching, working my way down. Okay, I'm just going to start to build up my tonal work from here, building the tonal work gradually like that. Okay, if it's got any letters on, see if you can go around your letters. Okay, and start to build in your tonal work there. If there's something on top of something else, the one underneath will be darker. Okay, so you can put it up, put the ground on like that. Use your finger to blend it if you want to blend it with your finger. Okay, so picking out those letters onto there. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add that magic shadow. So the shadow is going to be really dark around and underneath this key here. Okay, so make sure you don't spoil the outline of it. So this is something that you do at the end, but I'm just showing you now just so you can see how this starts to come together. Okay, so it might not go to there, and it'll just come out like that. So it's a nice dark shadow underneath. Okay, so again, just building gradually. How is it going to look? Making sure your lettering is nicely presented. Okay, and then building across onto the other keys. Okay, I'll take a picture to show you how it turns out in the end. Okay.